Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you, or actually I will answer the question, what does purple circle mean on Snapchat public profile? Now, as you can see, we have, on Snapchat public profile, you probably know that you have stories, right? Snapchat introduced stories back in 2013, and any user has like 24 hours to post any picture or video and make a story out of it, right? Then you can see a purple screen or purple circle can be seen around person profile picture posting the story, right? So if the circle is purple, that means that the circle is basically a video, right? So when you click on it, it will be a video, right? So purple means video basically. So you will see that on, a lot of different things. For example, if I go here to stories, you will see that I have purple as well here, but this purple means different, right? This purple means that I can add a person here, and basically when I add it, right, if it's a purple around their circle, then that means they posted basically a video, right? So that's pretty much what purple circle means on Snapchat public profile. Now, if you want to know more about Snapchat and more about how it works, definitely check out my channel. We do a lot of Snapchat tutorials. But if you have any questions regarding this, comment down below and I'll answer your questions. Thank you guys for watching this video.